Why take out if you can make it at home? Hi, I'm Soysouda. Today's recipe I'll be making homemade orange chicken. This orange chicken is fantastic. The tender of chicken coated in sweet sticky sauce makes it taste so yummy. Making orange chicken is not hard. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Here I've got 600 grams of chicken tenderloins. Now for recipe, we need Now I'm going to make the batter. For the batter, need flour, potato starch, pepper, chicken seasoning, soy sauce, garlic, an egg, and finally water. Now I'm going to mix all together. The batter should be like this. Now I'm going to add chicken tenderloins. And make sure you coat all these tenderloins in the batter. Mix it all together like that. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for half an hour. Now I'm going to deep fry chicken. Need oil, deep fry oil. Put heat on medium. Now oil should be ready. Before you put the chicken in the hot oil, you toss them again. Cook each side for 2 minutes until gold and brown color. As you can see, the color start turning brown now. Okay, that should be cooked. Now I'm going to set these on the rack. I'm going to cook all the chicken up. After this, I'm going to make sauce. Now this one should be the last chickens. I'll take the old chickens out. Place on the rack. Turn the heat off. After they cook, they should be like this. After this, I'm going to make the sauce. Okay, to make the sauce, put the heat on for medium. Add 2 spoons of oil. Now I'm going to add garlic. Coconut sugar, chicken salt, rice vinegar, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. Keep stirring until coconut sugar melted. Now I'm going to add a bit orange juice to potato starch. Maybe a little bit more. Now this is gonna go in here. Keep stirring. Now I'm gonna add the rest of oranges. Keep stirring until sauce is thickened. Now I'm going to add lemon zest. And keep stirring. You can see now sauce getting thicker. Now at last, I'm gonna add chicken. Make sure every single piece soak in with the sticky sauce. Turn the heat off. Now I'm going to put this on a plate. Now I'm going to taste some of these. Yum! Flavor from sweetness from the sauce. I can taste fresh orange, all the freshness from orange, and sticky and sweet sour sauce. So good. You can taste all the sticky, sweet, and fresh garlic in with the sauce. Tastes perfect, so good, so delicious. I'm gonna get some more. And the chicken so tender.
Very nice. Tangy up there, the orange.
That's right, fresh orange from our trees.
You can taste the orange and a nice sweet taste as well. Very good.
Good?
Thumbs up.
I'll put description below for more recipe. That's it everyone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see you then. Bye.